Hello friends, welcome back to Numerology Basics. Today we are going to discuss about angel number 1212. According to numerology, this angel number is very important and there is a lot of things to tell about it. We will try to cover all aspects. So let's start with a fair question. Are you seeing repeatedly 1212 angel number? Repeatedly seeing 1212 any place is undoubtedly a celestial sign, and maybe not really a shame, as you could think. As stated by Merkaba mysticism, 1212 can be a code portal site whenever you input in resonance with it activates your Merkabic niche. While this occurs, you are in working with the individual heart linking into the unity consciousness. Therefore, once you find time in 1212, you link to the gold light of Christ's energy that will wake heavenly love within you. Furthermore, trigger new energy frequencies that will allow you to evolve using the brand new earth. At numerology, 1212 gives one of the energies to change your primary relationships completely. Thus, using that perspective, seeing with the number designing 1212 is an email for you which you are prepared to enhance the substantial connections in your own life. Remember, the individuals you select to surround yourself with affect how you believe, behave, and texture. As a result, once you visit 1212, it is a reminder to create bonds with those with a greater active degree than you. Therefore, you can so surround yourself with people who can influence your long run and allow you to carry your entire life assignment. In general, be with individuals who inspire you, push you, and also invite one to dream even more significant. Angel number 1212 mean? As stated by angel numbers, visiting 1212 or 1212 means stepping outside of one's safe place and beginning afresh on your own life. You start pushing yourself towards something different. You really feel like you are not in the area you are interested in being in your travels. You might have that sense as your spirit knows precisely what is ideal for you at any given time. It really induces one to do it that is in alignment with your greatest truths on your own. Because of this, your angel thought is all about using the freedom and courage to take a step into uncharted waters as well as your way unfolds. You will quickly realize that what is being shown for you is much more than what you ever envisioned. Trust that you are safe. Having said this, seeing this charming number will bring additional hidden messages to you personally which you want to decode, and you would like to talk about them with you at the moment. 1212 angel number is the lucky charm for everyday life. As your day progresses, the further you encounter this angel number 1212, the luckier you are on this day. For instance, someone who comes from that number 7 times every day is more spontaneous than the usual man who only comes around it 3 times. You will experience this angel number in the kind of a token, a coupon number, or possibly a bill you need to pay. Now few more facts this angel number. Do you have to be wondering what angel numbers are? Quit wondering and pay close attention. Angel numbers are numbers that you find daily as your day moves. You coming across particular numbers over and over in a day isn't a coincidence. It's a sign from the angels who would like you to observe these intriguing events and feel they are pointing towards your fortune. You have to be wondering what precisely the 1212 number means. To make your life simpler, it's incredibly straightforward. It merely combines the meanings of the numbers 2 and 1. Angel number 1212 owns a powerful message from the angels. Knowing the meaning behind an angel number can discover knowledge, advice, and voice of support from the angels. Together with this number, you might uncover secrets on your own. It functions as a reminder to stay positive and optimistic, regardless of what life throws your way. Now let's talk about 1 to angel numbers effects in your love life. So let's start. Within our relationships and the heart's issues, the angel love number 1 to informs us that we are on the ideal path. More extensive than this, you have got an opportunity here to create a minimum of one mutual fantasy come true, whether it's between a spouse, a friend, or perhaps having a bigger caring team. All you is just like a bit of a puzzle that becomes geometrically better with every addition. Talent abounds. Number 1 to informs us that we see things as they are. There is not any demand for rose-colored eyeglasses because the attractiveness of love encircles without them. Inside this time frame, keeping a positive perspective and communications between yourself and the others builds character and contributes toward lively success. This is about working for the most excellent available future full of purpose. Utilize flexibility and stability as robust tools toward that conclusion, elevating your regular vibrations collectively. A little bit of information from love number 1212 is observing that all-important equilibrium. There are a whole lot of different aspects of every individual's life. Giving an excessive amount of time to occasionally means another endures. The men and women in your circle deserve an equal degree. Along the same lines, if you distribute your attempts, make sure they are toward just those items that uplift and enhance. You may break free from negative cycles and scenarios at any moment, and you have got the assistance of both guides and teachers standing by for this objective. Now let's know about 6 main reasons why you may be visiting angel number 1 to 12. Can you seek advice about the best way to accomplish your perfect life? What if we told you that you could observe potholes until you hit them? If you often see 1212, your life is all going to change following a period of stagnation. The 1212 angel number frequently shows up if you are on the cusp of a substantial shift in your lifetime. It sometimes happens after a period of stability, particularly when this continuous period begins to feel just like stagnation. It's an indication that significant changes are coming your way. However, to take advantage of these, you will need to consciously decide to adopt these changes, though they are likely terrifying. The world is compelling everything you want towards you. Still, it's all up to you to grasp it and mold it to what you will need in your lifetime. Do so with the attitude of positivity and gratitude to guarantee this shift brings positive energy in your world. Do you have to be cautious about the energy you are bringing? Angel number 1212 can appear when we need to be educated to remain optimistic in our dealings with other people and our thoughts. It's a simple fact of life that like attracts like. Ever see that you meet people who you join with when you are happy? That's because you are setting out positive energy. It's also the main reason terrible things seem to happen simultaneously. Do you know why? Because the negative energy that could result from our reaction to your challenge can draw in additional negativity. The number 1212 is a reminder always to restrain your negative ideas and feelings. Attempt to cultivate positivity. 3. You have to restore equilibrium in your lifetime. Replicating number 1212 includes a whole lot to do with a balance because of the number 2's powerful presence, although the number 1 reminds us that we produce our company. It's up to us to keep balance on the planet. The angel number 1212 frequently appears when we have been thrown off balance, possibly because a job commitment or new connection takes a lot of our energy and time. It can also be an obsession with a specific goal or want would be blinding us to anything else in our own lives. This number sequence could signify that we are letting something or somebody that no longer serves us back, extending us lean as we attempt to move forward and leaving us off kilter. 4. It's time to utilize your abilities and knowledge to assist others. The 1212 angel number will frequently look when we have dug too deep into our issues or goals. We will need to lift our heads above the parapet and find out what's occurring elsewhere in the world. It's a hint that we neglect ourselves for a little while and use our inborn talents to help somebody else in need, a person we will probably comprehend in our hearts. It is supposed to be performed on charitable grounds. We will discover that the new relationship and outlook will include something significant to our lives and change us for the better. Sharing our positive energy is only going to help bring more positive energy into our own lives. 5. Have to find the time to spend money on a significant connection. In the event the angel number 1 seems, it's often a sign that we will need to check at our meaningful relationships, as among these probably requires a little time and investment. It might be because we have let things slide as other essential things have consumed a great deal of our time. It can also be a fantastic connection prepared to change into something much deeper and more meaningful if we prioritize and cultivate it. While we often consider spiritual travels as solo adventures, they aren't necessary, and occasionally it's our relationship with another individual that helps us find our personal goal and bliss. Now the 6th and final reason why you may be visiting angel number 1212. Have to take the time to get to know yourself. While the correct relationships can help people develop, it's also true that the other individual can't fulfill a void that we have in ourselves. Occasionally, when angel number 1212 shows up in our own lives, it's telling us we will need to have a little more time to understand ourselves better. Maybe we have assembled a list of items people believe we need based on social norms and anxieties, but now is the time to comprehend our actual needs. Suppose we don't know ourselves well and attempt to discover a place for ourselves in which we don't belong. In that case, this may be the leading cause of toxic relationships, destructive life replacements, and can cause us to expend our energy generating things that won't ever lead to happiness. The number 1212 could call us to devote some time to self-reflection and pruning to our instincts. As we told in starting, there are a lot of information and facts are still remaining to know. But we cannot cover every aspect in one video. So to know 7 very interesting facts about this angel number, or want to know its spiritual explanation or its Bible meaning, then we will advise to see the description of the video. You will find a website link with full explanation. For today, we would like to close this video. If you are still here, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for being with us.